only the white part. Get your pork chops and start making holes in them, and I use these thin ones. First, dip the pork chop in the egg and make sure that it's really covered. Then dip it in the breadcrumbs and make sure it's really covered in breadcrumbs. Squeeze lemon on both sides. Salt, pepper, and repeat for the other side. Add oil. Now fry your pork chops. Add your veggies and some rice. And that's how you make your pork chops.
I made the juiciest, most tender pork chops in the air fryer with a homemade spice rub, and I served it with warm barbecue sauce, although I didn't need it. Let's make it. The first thing I did was spray the air fryer basket with nonstick spray and preheated it to 375 degrees. I then made my spice rub, which consists of brown sugar, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, chili powder, salt, and pepper. I brushed the pork chops with oil on both sides. I seasoned the pork chops on both sides, very generous. Make sure there's no excess moisture on the chops. Make sure they're nice and dry before brushing them with oil. I cooked them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I flipped it over and cooked for an additional 4 minutes, so 9 minutes total. Don't overcook them, otherwise they'll be tough and dry. Just make sure they reach about 145 degrees. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing into it so the juices don't escape, and enjoy it.